GEEKOM GT1 Mega AI Mini PC. The pint-sized powerhouse that eats desktops for breakfast. Meet the GEEKOM GT1 Mega AI Mini PCM, the tech world's equivalent of a pocket-sized beast that doesn't play nice with mediocrity. Armed with Intel's 14th Gen Ultra 9-185H chip, 16 cores, 22 threads, it doesn't just multitask them, it multiplies your workflow. Clocking in at 5.1 GHz and juiced with Intel's AI Boost NPU, this mini marvel demolishes spreadsheets, edits 4K videos, runs AI models like a caffeinated cyborg, and still has room to stream cat videos in 8K. Whether you're coding, gaming, teaching robots to think, or just procrastinating really fast, this is your new ride-or-die rig. Graphics? Oh, you mean that buttery-smooth Intel Arc experience with 8 cores, ray tracing, and XeSS-enhanced visuals that make AAA games and creative workloads run smoother than a greased otter on a slip-and-slide. Throw on DirectX 12 Ultimate and your editing suite or FPS battle royale feels like a cinematic masterpiece. This isn't your average integrated graphics setup, it's a GPU-NPU-CPU ménage tech that handles visuals like a Pixar rendering farm stuffed in a metal lunchbox. The GT1 Mega's Wi-Fi 7, dual 2.5G LAN, and Bluetooth 5.4 say goodbye to buffering, lag, and connectivity tantrums. With two 2.5 gigabits per second LAN ports, you'll upload that 10 gigabytes footage or run a NAS setup before your coffee cools. Need ports? How about Thunderbolt 4, aka USB 4.0, dual HDMI 2.0, and enough bandwidth to run 4 freaking displays at once, yes, 2 in 8K and 2 in 4K. Whether you're a financial overlord with 30 Chrome tabs or a streamer drowning in OBS windows, this machine gets you. Storage-wise, it's got more memory muscle than a goldfish on Adderall. 32 gigabytes of DDR5, expandable to 64 gigabytes, plus up to 3 terabytes SSD capacity across two M.2 slots means load times vanish, file transfers fly, and multitasking becomes a sport. With Gen 4 PCIe speeds, you'll be slicing through apps, files, and VMs like a ninja in a Wi-Fi-enabled dojo. And yes, virtual machines run insanely smooth, because this mini PC doesn't stutter under pressure, it flexes. Wrapped in a premium aluminum shell with the silent swagger of Ice Blast 2.0 cooling, it's cool, quiet, and carbon-conscious. Energy efficient yet face-melting in power, it delivers desktop-crushing performance in a body small enough to fit in your hand, and won't nuke your electric bill. Preloaded with Windows 11 Pro, not some sketchy trial, the GT1 Mega is plug-and-play perfection. For work, play, or world domination, this isn't just a mini PC. It's a maximum revolution.